Alright, y'all. I've caught a pretty good amount of fish, pretty good amount of bass on this one. So we're gonna switch it up here. We're gonna change it to this one. Got something with it. Oh boy. Sorry, buddy. Don't stick me now. Little bluegill with a long minnow. I hate jigging them right in the fin. I hate that. Well, the big minnow caught a little bass. Alright now. I jigged part of him. That's the Alright, hey. Little largemouth. Ain't too chubby. Then kind of ripped him up a little. But he went after the big minnow. We're going to release him. Oh, bass. Another one. Alright. This is something. Bass number 4. Okay. I want to get this one out first. He's the heaviest one of the day. Probably clocking in about almost 2 pounds. He is a fighter. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Almost lost y'all for a second. Forever. I think that's going to be it for the day.